Hey, what's up, guys? Happy today's Tuesday or Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Today's Wednesday, July 23rd. We're on here on our first and only job of the day two. My ride along, Chad Buckley. We're out here, guys, doing an aggressive screen and recoat. This is Mrs. Keith. She had me come out maybe about 3 months ago. Called me back last week, said, Courtney, I'm ready to move forward with my hardwood floor services. I went out this morning for a client. We did her floors last year in the Dunwoody area. She has me coming back this Friday to do another room screen and recoat. And then I have another consultation not far from here after we get the coating down in Mableton. So let me flip this around, guys, and show you what we got going. It's almost close to 900 square feet. Screen and recoat. All right, guys, so we are in the Atlanta, Georgia area, right in the heart of the city. There's Chad. He's back day two. All right, so these are the floors that we're going to be doing, guys. So we got a dining room. Again, floors are really worn. Yes, it really needs to be sanded, but because of either convenience or the cost of sanding, some people prefer the screen and recoat, and they do understand this is not going to be 100%, but we would do our best and it will look a whole lot better. So we got this area right here, the living room. Then we got this small hallway, and then we got these 2 bedrooms right here, okay? So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and let Chad start screening. Right now we're just testing some different pads. Also this room right here. All right, guys. Alright, guys, we got a good screen on these floors, as you can see. My client is actually heading back. I want her to see these 2 rooms, because what I'm going to do is go ahead and get the first coat down. Then I'm going to let Chad go ahead and head back to PCB so he can miss all the Atlanta traffic. And then I'm going to go do a consultation and then come back and do the second coat, Pro Coat Aqua Pro. So let me show you guys. Check this out. So I just got through rolling this room. All right, so it's drying right now, but that looks so much better, so much better. Again, with the screen and recoat, this is in my proposal. My when people sign off, pet stains, water stains, deep scratches, those things do not come out with the screen and recoat, but this is just to improve the floor. And like I said, either for when clients don't want to, you know, they can't, you know, maybe afford to pay for sanding, or they don't have the time for sanding, because sanding is a lot more. So I did this room first, and you can just see how much better this room is looking as it's drying. That looks so much better. All right, guys. So she'll be here soon, and we're gonna go ahead and start putting up some of the equipment. Stay tuned. Yep. Nice. Perfect. Oh, that looks so good. I turn it sideways, go ahead and cut in. Yep, there you go. There you go.
Learn from the best. Hands-on training.
Yes, sir. Go ahead and do one more pass. It's pretty loaded. Let's do another line. There you go.
Put some more on my thing.
There you go.
I could have went anywhere to learn hardwood floors too.
Huh?
I said I could have went anywhere to learn hardwood floors too.
Yeah.
Proven success.
Yep. you good. Come on in and check it out. That's just a Publix. That's my favorite place. One of my favorite. Go take a look at that. Check me out what you think. We screened the crap out of this floor. Look beautiful, and that's just the first coat.
Okay.
That's just the first coat. Look how much better that looks.
Yes, it does.
That looks great.
Yeah.
So, and then come check out the two. I left a little path for you for the 2 bedrooms.
Okay.
They were the worst, but we did the best we could. But they do, to me, that looks a whole lot better. Look how much lighter they are.
Yeah. Now, is there a shine that will come?
No, that's going to be the second coat. Yeah,
Okay.
this is just the sealed bill coat.
Okay.
Then the second coat, turn it around forward to show her that's going to be a semi. I knew you probably wanted some shine, so there's going to be semi-gloss, Aqua Pro.
Okay.
So when I come back, I'm going to put that second coat on.
Okay.
Yep, this is just to get that, bring that color back to the floor, give it a nice sealed bill coat, and then we put that down.
Okay.
Yep.
And when do you come back?
So I'm going to... Right, flip it. Yep, there you go. And it's over there. Hey guys, so me and Chad just did an aggressive screening. Man, he has learned a lot in the last 2 days. The client just came back. She can't believe it. So I showed Chad some of my unique tips, things that I really don't share because of the value of it. Except with my private group. A lot of guys who are in my private group, they'll say, man, Courtney, until I got into this private group, man, I thought I knew so much, and I really didn't. But guys, man, these floors, just a screener, what we call an aggressive screener recoat, and Chad can't even believe it, man. So we got. I did it. So the client, she just came. You know you did a good job when she already paid me and said, Courtney, just leave the door unlocked, come back, do the second coat, and I'll just come back later about 7, 8 o'clock. So yeah, guys, so this floor came out great. And shout out to Chad again, one of my newest members. Gonna kill it. I mean, not literally kill it, but you know, you guys know what he's saying. Yeah, but with the screener recoat, adding this to his carpet cleaning business. And then I also encourage him as well, because he's down in the beach. And there's a lot of stone down there, so I also encourage him to get into the stone as well. But guys, this right here looks amazing. Looks amazing, man. So, all right, guys. So what I did, instead of going to my consultation, I just stayed behind to put down the Aqua Pro. Shout out to Chad again, one of my newer students. He just headed back to PCB. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and put down the Aqua Pro now. So that's what I'm doing now. Going with semi-gloss. I'm gonna put it down really, really heavy. And then I'm gonna go do my consultation, grab me some lunch, and come back and get the after video. Floors came out great, guys. And actually the consultation that I'm going to do, he was actually referred to me by a real estate agent. I've been getting, I'll say within the last few years, man, I've been getting a lot of referrals from real estate agents. Real estate companies have been referring me a lot, so I greatly appreciate that. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, I just got back. So I'm glad that I put the Aqua Pro down. This is semi-gloss. Guys, look at these floors now. Come on, man. Like I said, it ain't perfect, but I'm gonna say this is definitely 80% better. 80% better, and that's what I guarantee in my proposal, a 50 to an 80% improvement. So I just went and did a consultation. Shout out to Miss Gail. Miss Gail is a real estate agent, and she has been sending me a lot of referrals. I just booked a wax removal. He has a lot of wax on his floors, engineered floors. Say he got a quote, guys, for $40,000 to replace those floors. We're gonna go do a wax removal, screen, recoat, and UV cure around $6,000. So that's a huge difference. He's putting the house on the market and need to make these floors look really good. So he just accepted his estimate on my way here and paid a 10% deposit. And we're gonna be doing him on August the 2nd. So guys, back to these floors. Man, looks so much better. So much better, guys. All right, well, that's gonna do it, guys. I'm about to get back to Gwinnett County before this traffic starts getting really, really heavy. And thank you guys again. Also, shout out to my guy, Chad Buckley, my student. He learned some really, really good things these last 2 days, and I greatly appreciate him. All right, guys, see you in the next one.